watching The Angle. I am Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Lok Sabha meeting adjourned indefinitely. Only 22% work was done. OBC bill being passed in Lok Sabha. BJP leaders expressed happiness over bill. CM Gehlot give a big gift to the MLAs. Laid the foundation stone of the MLA flat. Many facilities including driving license will be available sitting at home in Delhi. Faceless service has been implemented. The Lok Sabha was adjourned indefinitely due to the uproar by the opposition parties. The entire session was disrupted due to the uproar by opposition parties on issues including Pegasus espionage case, demand for withdrawal of 3 central agricultural laws, and only 22% of the business was executed. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla told when the proceedings start in the morning that the 6th meeting of the 17th Lok Sabha started on 19th July 2021 and during this 21 hours 14 minutes of work was done in 17 sittings. He said that the functioning of the House was not as per expectations. Birla said that due to the disruption, about 74 hours of work could not be done in 96 hours. Union Minister Anurag Thakur described the act which was happened in Parliament yesterday was shameful. He said that the file being thrown towards the podium in the House was a shameful incident, taking a dig at the Congress and the opposition parties for disrupting the work in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. He said that the people sent to Parliament to raise their voices are behaving against the rules. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkesh Naidu became emotional while speaking on the uproar in the Rajya Sabha during monsoon session. He said that he could not sleep through the night due to the desecration of Temple of Democracy. Whatever happened in the House yesterday is against democracy. Parliament is the supreme temple of democracy and its sanctity should be not allowed to suffer. Naidu said that the opposition cannot force the government. Members can protest but cannot tell the chairman what to do and what not to do. He said that the way the sanctity of democracy was destroyed, I am hurt. I have no words to describe my pain. CM Gehlot inaugurated the projects of Rajasthan Housing Board. Under the Vidhayak Awas Yojana, 160 flats will be built for the honorable people. Out of these, the cost of rupees 266 crore will be there. This housing scheme will be ready by September 2023. At the same time, 180 flats will be built for All India Services Residency in Pratapnagar at a cost of rupees 125 crore. OBC Reservation Amendment Bill was passed in Lok Sabha. Former Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje and BJP State President Dr. Satish Punia expressed their happiness by tweeting and also wrote that the decision of the Modi government will prove to be welfare for the OBC class. Kejriwal Sisodia acquitted in Chief Secretary assault case. A relief news has come for many MLAs including the Chief Minister of Delhi and Deputy Chief Minister. A special court in Delhi on Wednesday acquitted Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia and 9 other MLAs in case of assault. All of them were accused of assaulting the Chief Secretary of Delhi, Anshu Prakash. At the same time, the Rouse Avenue Court has framed charges against 2 AAP MLAs, Amantullah Khan and Prakash Jarwal. Today, faceless service has been implemented in Delhi. Through this, you will be able to get about 33 services of the Transport Department sitting at home, including driving license also. This scheme is starting from 11th August. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal launched this scheme on Wednesday. Arvind Kejriwal said that this is a historical step. Earlier, people had to go to the touts and get such facilities. Rocks fell from the hill on the highway in Kinnaur district, Himachal Pradesh. An incident of rock fall has come to the fore near the Eagle Forest of Nigulseri National Highway 5 in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. It is reported that the HRTC bus was hit in this accident. It is being told that the HRTC bus got buried in the debris due to the falling rocks. As soon as the information was received, the team of administration as police left for the spot. Cricket team head coach Ravi Shastri may leave the post. Ravi Shastri, bowling coach Bharat Arun, fielding coach R. Sridhar and batting coach Vikram Rathod may part ways from Team India after the T20 World Cup to be held in October and November this year. This major reason for this believed to be Team India's failure to win the ICC title. Team India could not win a single ICC title under Shastri's coach. Shastri has also informed the Board of Control for Cricket in India about this. The tenure of the entire coaching staff, including Shastri, is also ending in November. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share. Thank you.